Poor weather conditions can make autumn a challenging time for the rail industry. Transport for Wales and Network Rail work closely to ensure that customers experience minimal disruption to rail services during this time of year. Last year, Transport for Wales invested in wheel slide protection for many trains. As a result, we saw a 57% reduction in damage to trains and tracks and disruption to services. This year, Transport for Wales and Network Rail are continuing with their joint working approach, investing in innovative and new technology to further reduce disruption to rail services. We're developing brand new, environmentally friendly plasma railhead treatment technology to ensure safe, clean tracks. We're also using new AI VR camera systems installed on our trains, which scan our routes and automatically identify problematic areas of overgrown trackside vegetation, which we can then safely remove. We've stocked up on additional spare wheel stock for our running trains and have our rapid response teams working constantly to keep our tracks clear, safe, and ensuring minimal disruption to our autumn rail services.